What's up, channel? Welcome back. We're gonna be taking apart the Impala today. Pretty excited. This is the last minute thing. It's not gonna be, might be this video like kind of in sections, or I might do one whole video. We'll see, depending on how long it takes me. We're dealing with rusted bolts and things that haven't been apart in otherwise years. So just bear with me, follow along. I'm learning just like anybody else. So if you got any tips, put it down in the comments below. Appreciate y'all. Much love. So pretty much the day of N1, got a lot of stuff off. Pretty much go the whole top of the motor off in terms of minimal things. That way nothing's in our way. I'm getting the bell housing bolts. Next thing is of course motor mounts, bell housing bolts. I disconnect the manifolds to both sides. There might be, I think, a couple more ignition wires. That ground right there, I got to take off. Pretty much got most of the stuff knocked out. It was fairly easy. Wasn't too bad. Definitely excited for what's next. Thanks guys, tune in for part 2. That's a wrap.